Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 2 by 2 is equal to 40 divided by 2. Now 40 divided 2 is equal to 20, okay? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong, okay? So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? So PEMDAS, P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Okay, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this problem, here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part, okay? So is equal to now 40. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 40 as it is same. Same means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction. 2 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. Multiply 2. Okay. Now cancel this 2 by 2. So is equal to 40 multiply 2 is equal to 80. So the correct answer is 80. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.